ka District Legal Service Authority DLSA is ka sales harangkat bat ka Meghalaya State Legal Service Authority MSLSA ha ka GOE ya ka jingnon kamban a jing pensyai ki brio ki bahap ha ka apot nak jingsha thumbor ya ka longrin yang jengki da ka basha pen masau bat place nam ha ki riu dusman ha ka khat arterik nailar arjar pasau ki la penlong ya ka program a jing kai ha lo ka phang kumnu bakilanot ki balaya kendu ya ka te ka jinge kila banyo ya ka jing sumar e klam ka jing siu lengba ka bor jong ka an haba ajing pensyai va VJK kenta uloong ba kat kum ki kanon ain ka sarkar ha ka principal jong ka article Laibupra Constitution of India kat kum ka Criminal Injury Compensation Board kabala tip menta kum ka Meghalaya Victim Compensation Scheme arajar puar kadiban ay ka jingarap ikitu ki bahap ha ka te ka apot na ka jingsha pen mensaw place nam ha ka khotmet bat sha penyam ka ba ki te kinong sha leben kadiban yo ka jing sumar ai klam ka jing siu Shushu uloong ru bakila judon ki kies kabaki brio ki bangat hakate ka kapon kala penlong iki benumla su wat bantre ki kam ki jam ki jongki bat yalam ya ka jingdu jingkemen bat ka kelabi no na ka jingta ya ka bor perkhat jongki.
The state or the district legal services authority, as the case may be, to alleviate the suffering of the victim, may order for immediate first aid facility or medical benefits to be made available free of cost on the certificate of the police officer not below the rank of the officer in charge of the police station or a magistrate of the area concerned or any other interim relief as appropriate authority deems fit. Benda pun mission makani ka provision kalau ba kalau dia ka duty jong ka state legal services lani jong ka district legal services bahkan hukum lani banai ka order ba kini ki victim of sexual assault or acid assault or kino ki nakano di siya punya ki families kila ang suffer ki emotional trauma and mental problems kila ang crop up nakano di siya punya ki jono kaya kasam yoki kaya ka kamran ni jong ka district legal services authority bahkan hukum ba ki hospital kini banai free medical treatment nama kali apa na nasyam makasu kalong is just a paper tiger. Sometimes nasyam kamlong kita. Lagi lain cikini ki private hospitals ki apse ki door ki rate he pala. Nasai kalau dei kapor bangin happen kenditia bangin happen yang ki citizen jomani ka country ba ki private hospitals ju kiri banai free medical aid. Te shusho kali ka ain ka keren no te mendapa Aba kali ka criminal procedure code kuma filaite kaladon ka jingkala kalawan menta da kawai bat ka ain ka bakten ka Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita 2023 kali kalawan menteri kam bora koi kali India na sitali ko na July 2024 te kali ka ain ningkong ngat kolong khonyo nam sutra kini kalten Bharatiya Ndai na yola dan pulih di provision seperti ka ain pertama nalaso kiban sibur ba sarkar India na warna kali ka jingpan kelang ya kali ka CRPC warna kali ka ain pertama 2023 te maskwa ban batai ba ka por mensha kali ka CRPC kali section 357A jong ka CRPC ndai ka section ko kumai pa kali section 396 kini ka victim compensation scheme te barkhot hi kilong kumjo hamle ka don pat ka jing kala ha ka subsection 7 kani ka subsection 7 hi ka balong very benevolent provision namar pensyo katkum kani ka section 357A of CRPC laki don gino ki jingyo nani ki kalau ka jing mentoy jingyo jementoy nani ka jingyo jingara la na kadena sarkar dan nakano ka institution or organization they have a one set of victim compensation scheme pa kino ma issue suppose kinyo na ka insurance company ka pisa itu question dia apa ka victim compensation scheme pa kila kentai kino ma nama kimla banyo kani ka compensation na boro arai telig jaka what na ko ka usually na ka code kala ay no compensation ka victim compensation kani ka district legal services authority can have pay laka pisa kala aksi itu ka pisa kala kedo apa skim ngan sawan saya ni skim hadin katu kami dengan nyai kan puli kali ka ai mai subsection 7 jong section 396 about French Fund of Victim Compensation Scheme. So sisi nga banjur hame section 396 jong kali ka ai mai nila banong in short BNSS 2023 subsection 7 katran kume. The compensation payable by the state government under this section shall be in addition to the payment of fine to the victim under section 65, section 70 and subsection 1 of section 124 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023 Kabamut Indian Evidence Act. So sisi dengan ban yang nomor kala room for the compensation payable by the state government under this section covered the compensation by the sale the sarkar lamba the district legal services authority and the state legal services authority government shall be in addition covered addition they cover the sale the legal services authority kind of addition yaka bala penpa section 65 70 but section 124 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023 benda kasi ka badondok mafisia udon hane baro kadi ka jindondok namar viola ban yosto ispang kali ai mai but kamtam ka Indian Penal Code ada repeal lawan yang nakawin ka ay kapakatay Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023. Kanang man lingkot kani ka program ko dyan kulong tayo pa ba? Nakuha man knowing fee ka section 65 yung kani ka ay naman. Kabakran siyang punishment for rape in certain cases. Whoever commits rape on a woman under 16 years of age shall be punished with rigorous imprisonment for a term which shall not be less than 20 years, but which may extend to imprisonment for life, which shall be imprisonment for the remainder of that person's natural life, and shall also be liable to fine. Kani ka proviso kabalong interesting but kamasutanan mapiliban siya kalong ba provided that such fine shall be just and reasonable to meet the medical expenses and rehabilitation of the victim. Kani ka ay tumay ka kalong kani ka ay tumara kani ka sarkar pa rin kani ka ay tumarong very benevolent kani ka social legislation kabang sutlan sa provided further that any fine imposed on this subsection shall be paid to the victim. Kabut Ganun ka fine ko impose na kanyang now accused person now wala nakakamsnip. Kani ba direct siya victim. Decision na ko ano hangni kani ka section 65 subsection 2 no. Whoever commits rape on a woman under 12 years of age shall be punished with rigorous imprisonment for a term. It shall not be less than 20 years, but which may extend to imprisonment for life, which shall be imprisonment for the remainder of the person's natural life, and with fine or with both. Kini ay ito perking siya pala. Section 65 provided that such fine shall be just and reasonable to meet the medical expenses and rehabilitation of the victim. Provided further kini kalong kumjo ko mga puli mene. Kaya mga kuha ng kano hani kalong kain mo siya ka kani kalong silent kung dapat check ma. Kaya kani ka joke ka mamta. Kani ba kami kani ay kumay kasi here in hablong kiba penyo ba kan hapan check ma ay kumay. Kaya pa pulisyo section 70. Hati section 70 kani kakaran sipang gangre. Pila manta kasi kasay din so patay si stop yung lawyer bakaran sipang kini provisions of daan. Kaya nanti nang jimentoy ang review kaya nahalan na so kaya jimentoy kabakraw do namar ba kini ay pasakha to victim compensation scheme. dalam pakai ini provisions dia say kalau mentai pi ban mencukup tang najram mencukup tang asla kamentai kabhai ba tet lalu na try tiga ni kan ain ka keren kumjo hi gang rate lalu pakai punya itu gang rate provided that such fine shall be just and reasonable to meet the medical expenses and rehabilitation of the victim. Okay, so Nangka section 124. The crime is found voluntarily causing grievous hurt by use of acid. Kali ka section na kali section of mine. Aka section kemarin kamau wala kataro. Mana kalau ada kedua ini kali ka section 396 kaung ba kalau ka compensation namanya medical expenses and rehabilitation of the victim nani kino ki jiglot to victim kaung ba kanong additional ka jingyo kani ka scheme mentang yung kami hanya victim compensation scheme 2022 the system bareng kila abang scheme 2010-2011 the hani ka ain pumai kaung ba have kali ka compensation kanong in addition ya ka ay kapag impose ka code hagi section 65 70 or section 24 susu apa ban pentah ane ba ya ka ka megara victim compensation scheme kali ka scheme ka balakha lamba kali section 357 jongka 357A jongka CRPC basic and hawan ka jingkala ka scheme nama akan incorporate ini new provisions of law. Nangka apa? Masih apa kedua kalinya mana pakai? Kali ke victim compensation scheme ke 2022 kalau trikam kalau penduduk scheme ke manusia 2019. Di yang pakai banyak kan ke kendon jong ini ke scheme. Mereka kebanyakan kuat dan bawa kami ke victim compensation fund. Kali ke fund kebawan ke contribution kebawa vote ke center, but ke state government. Kali ke ya kali ke scheme, kali ke budgetary provision. Kali ke fund kebawan ke center, kali ke contribution ke central government, but kali ke contribution ke state government. Kita kita kini kisah bahalang, kami ki what ki code, kita ki impose kini ki cost, kini impose kini ki cost, apa ki litigants, kita kapor kini ka kain bisa high court, kaju ai kini ki cost, 10,000, 100,000, terter. Kini ka fund jang kini ka fund apa kini ka bantuan antara scheme. Kawan ki kalau bantuan ke central government, kalau bala contribute ke central government, kawan ke state government bala they provide the budgetary provision, kawan lomba jo ki cost, ki codes, tente kawan lah bantuan ni kisah malang tu. Dia kali kapor kapor sini kali kamu benar bah, kini ki business houses kira akan contribute sekali ke fund, but kali ke fund ki penangkapan ai sedikit besar lana, kalau don ke jinja ko susi ko mother case haba kali ka loye ko duk nik banduk sebab lala ka he kali ka fund ka district legal services ko super ban disburse kali bana no what ini ki compensation te hinda kalau na bale ba kali scheme na tre abanda pole biya ko kali ka ki jingpo kali regular victim compensation scheme nama ki rasi na ki scope kwa apen yo kali ka hard copy jo kani rasi binaban pan ni binong ni secretary but ni ba crowd ka kani na may supply fee copies ni dalam dan kila pan download na po ka net te kuma batay metal kani ka victim compensation scheme kapisa kawan na center na state ro pan isang halang kila na pan mangin kila contribute. Let's see, the lawyers will contribute small part of their income towards this victim compensation fund. Let's see, when they get into the crowd, if you can make a read, which is Victim shall be eligible for a grant of compensation if ordered by the court. Under this scheme, the victim or guardian or legal heir. Sama tentang ki victim kila bandai ki minor, bandai kila bandai ki victim ki belakang major, bandai ki jing sitong ki jing la bandai untuk kakis ni bahaya. Hakaba antibri lalang in koma. Temata ki bahaya ki wasal ni men ki para ni me ki pa. Kila ban approach ka yang bisa, bandai kila ban approach directly at the District Legal Services Authority. Pan jengarap pan jengarap. Desi kan scheme yaki badan ki baem desi ki nuan shakma. Ndai na pek kan scheme hi kadai namta ki middle class produk Russian banat bangdan kita ka jingyo jikot ya. If the offender is not traced or identified, ini wrong guna. And repeat yang itu benar. Under this scheme, the victim or guardian or legal heir, as the case may be, shall be entitled to financial assistance and restorative support services if one of the following criteria is satisfactorily fulfilled. If the offender is not traced or identified, the victim may also apply for grant of compensation under subsection 4 of section 357A of the Act of the CRPC to meet expenses for physical and mental rehabilitation. Hani kali ka scheme kala thosha but if the offender is not traced or identified, kamu kila you don't get cases can be rape cases or even what ki murder cases to kita ki assailant kamu kita ki le dusman. Kalau anda rape, anda murder, anda penyimsam, they ki bahaya ki bahasa, kita akan rush ke District Legal Services Authority berpanjang. Dia ni kriteria dalam bahasa mana, kalau jingyo jikot kesuki kalau dalam, but hari ni peknya kita dan em kita nanti hari kita approach ke District Legal Services Authority. Must report a crime to the officer in charge of the local police station or to the magistrate having jurisdiction before making claim for compensation or so cognizant taking of the crime by the police under whose jurisdiction the offence was committed. Ini criteria are very very important. Mata imla rush for the District Legal Services Authority of Panjana. Tadi benda kita ke prima facie proof la penting polis sudah register ke penjara ke Somoto FIR Somoto registration of case lagi polis kalau kamu kita kan jika kita kita report kepada magistrate ini kan jadi penting kan bahaya kalau kita polis ki yo jadi kalau crime kalau yang aja abad ne jinja susi Makin penting boleh kenapa kan orang kata prima facie proof kenapa video ada compensation for the scheme. Jadi victim or complainant or claimant in case of death of victim shall fully cooperate with the police and prosecution from the stage of investigation till conclusion of trial of the case. Turning hostile or refusing to depose or failure to appear during trial shall be considered to be non-cooperation. Ada point around me. Mata kini ki victims, Russian jinja, nani ki claimants ki balai panpan ye kini ki compensation. Suppose ki ye handala ya ke trial, yo tahu pada snip, yo accuse ni, yo ngijuang accuse ni, lawyers ni accuse. Kalau ka duty jo kini ki victim nani ki claimant, maki ni ban cooperate dengan investigation. Lada kiwana pokok kita orang nak kerja, lada umdeng, lada latih saya kena bodi tahu balik, kita kira pokok kita umdeng. Kum kata jigile pelum kihaban corporate. Dia kata susu belum eligible bagi dari compensation kalau the crime must be one in which the victim sustained mental or bodily injury or dies. Aku akan emphasize bahwa the crime must be one in which the victim sustains mental or bodily injury or dies. Dalam kamlang hata kadul si pimlang eligible but man siapa district legal services authority but one compensation. Crucial kani ka scheme ka ang the death or permanent incapacitation of the victim. Death dengan sukubi ka jadi no permanent. Nek permanent incapacitation kamamon ka ratkut ka jat na ratkut ka tina ba manlai na kalulu kata ka jingdu ka khotna yang in which the victim sustain mental or bodily injuries or dies. Kata kali ka criteria kali bandang kata ka jing sawa ka government warpa ka jing kut ka jat kani ka jing rafithe ke asset ka to jing ka disfiguration mandai itu plastic usually ka jing not kali ma he ka Even after the case, ni la ai nakala district legal services authority la ai compensation namal kata ka breu ka bali ko homeless la shakha shakhe asset hola te kali ka one unique case ka ba na sham ba la ai ka compensation income lai la maka ila increase issue namal kata ka treatment ko baki ka he sa ba te nimte ke ka compensation ko code ndai ka khubor ka bangayo along ba kalok yo ulok na jong kumno kali asaki unsha set katak chijigem dali chijuno where it's a very peculiar situation mati cases of domestic violence kala punjab ba kalok ka le kanu ka pom na kawai ulok utau ulok ti bahai masam jong kila banle tampan conversation Kalau kusai kalau orang hakui kesini kita isong sain pakai kesakti kan, kita isong kita yawannya. Kemudian dia sih kita tiga kerja kelat kut. Kalau kau ikut kes sama kerja kita, dia mentah ini pasti di silap pak. Kita pun tiga pun. It's a very peculiar situation. Nama kami ni kan sebab kita subject kami hafal mentah sih dari recovery of the compensation paid to the victim. Kata kawan hantar kata subject. Suppose saya nak yang case. Kejar ikat bakal nak dengan cooperation. Nanti kita back out. Kum kata situation basic kali ke scheme. Kamla ban kentat kata jeng pan jeng ai compensation. Hundred. Kalau pendek di cases kabar di false cases. Nang alam di rape cases. Di allegation of rape. Kalau very common hadian makanika victim compensation scheme akan cekam. Nadu pas dam jong ani scheme hadu mentah kena dan hadu 74% fake cases death of permanent incapacitation of the victim was not the result of suicide. Iman hani ka batai bala ka suicide case ऐसे kamlong eligible bang claim compensation. Or self-infliction, kapala penmong ini, kapala di drugs ni kumtul, penmong kumtul, ini katul kamnong ini, dasi dari scheme nama apply. Or mental injury as a result of the victim's own doing. Dan kapal lupa ki pun samlali ki dan parang kajing budi kurang atau budi kendali ki dan mental issues. Tentang mental problem is the highest problem in the world. Barak kawin ke pertai ke mental issues ke highest way pa kawai ke lawyer na kanya lock ani kami pai code all have got mental issues the normal pa kani ka ai strong mental kumno ban take care ki mental problems kam puda sukhe than bagalong to enlighten kumno sa European countries ani sa entah, percaya. Nasi kamu tahu percaya. Ngawang dia pi hari ni apa ni hari ada dan kita ke census karena kita bawa di data ni yang itu 99%. Not you way balang. But bunsem diri cases they don't go for treatment. Nawan bihila orang nampak cipo sekini ki psychiatrist ni pasuma. Nei ngaso ba kali ka por ba nama dementia kam da illness kali ka kani ka lifestyle natin kon in jogi what is our lifestyle the social lifestyle kapoi ka stage bang your dementia kani ka mental illness let's say that they ka poor ba kibreu she said maglaron signs of dementia kani ka no signs of mental illness they even rush to the hospitals and get treatment kani ka provision na go on and repeat the answer she said the Meghalaya State Legal Services Authority or the District Legal Services Authority may, in order to alleviate the suffering for the victim, order for immediate first aid facility or medical treatment to be made available free of cost on the certificate of the officer in charge of the police station or magistrate of the area concerned. Kani ka provision kadang itu section 357A Hakimin subsection. Ande kani ka Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Samhita 2023. Kani par krishna daka new provision. Is a new provision. Haga section kabarin kada section 357C. Kani ka on treatment of victims. So kani ka provision apa puli nawar ba apa in your story score ke jopi markiwan ki hospital hotel affair. Treatment of victims. All hospitals, public or private, whether run by the central government, the state government, local bodies, or any other person, private hospitals, Bethany, Woodland, etc., etc., shall immediately provide the first aid or medical treatment free of cost. Nangni syakmat lakadan ka major accident apa pi rush for Bethany, pi rush for Woodland, pi rush sakinu kini hospital watch for migraine so. Kani ka medical treatment first aid kali gunong free of cost. Kala kisem pisa pi happen report to district legal services authority. Kani even report ki police station concerned within the area of kani ka hospital. And repeat yang so she said na kani ka very interesting. Bang nakwa kan draw up ka mindset ka jongfi. Treatment of victim kani section 397 jong ain kabalun karan 357C. All hospitals, public or private, whether run by the central government, the state government, local bodies, or any other person, shall immediately provide the first aid or medical treatment free of cost to the victims of any offences covered under subsection 64, 65, 66, 67, and 68. Section 70, 71, Section 124 of the Bharatiya Nya Sanhita. Kali ka new addition. Ayon kabarin kamdan kani. Kali ka new addition. Or under Section 4, 6, or 8, or Section 10 of the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act 2012, and shall immediately inform the police of such incident. Or Section 4, Section 6, Section 8, or Section 10 of the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act 2012, and shall immediately inform the police of such incident. Kani kamot pa she said bakaja in cases of sexual assault. Ako kani ka ay kani kena 18 years and below. Igi sinang jo 18 years and below. Nakaja kani offenses kani ka ay POCSO 2012. He said malay kini private hospital, government hospital kani duty makilay bang ay treatment immediately. But kada kimay ka treatment, they can be prosecuted under the POCSO Act. Kada nagawin provision of POCSO Act. You can be prosecuted. But aja ko the incident na po mauri kani habang kataga victim, habang kalay pan ha suma. Kalau kita tak kataga private hospital, baik kalau kita jing ajan siya, then bisa mo kani ka ain POCSO. In case employment is given to any family member of a victim of crime on compensatory ground, no assistance will be given to the dependent from the scheme. Kaya kan berkaitan dengan crime kebajikan berkaitan kalau kita di victims, masih sexual assault ni, dari domestic violence, ini kalau kita jadi club no jong block room, apa kadang kita jingyo kam yo jam, Nasi kita kiba shen jinja pinum la banyo shu the compensation of scheme. Kali ka schedule 1 trong Meghalaya Victim Compensation Scheme 2022. Particulars of loss or injury. Nanta ka maximum age limit of compensation. Maximum age limit of compensation. Kali kebetulan kini loss of life. Kababut ka jinyam. Dada itai bahasa punya, ni bayi bayang kajing nakalo kajing, ada kajing siapa punya, murderers assault. Kalau tahu bahasa punya, kena senang. Kerta kalau apa supposnya age 40 years or below 40 years, kamu pun apa supposnya. Kalau compensation kalau masih bola, mana compensation kan boleh ni, agaknya. Yes.
You can also download it.
Jadi kumala patang sketchy entah, kila ban download yang ini scheme, suatu. Dia nanti apa kini age 40 years and above, aduh nupusnya kali nyola, but nupusnya misalnya kan dia itu sana. Dia hari kita lagi jom kita slap, kemudian loss of life, gang rape, kadang lagi jom slap, minimum kali 5 lakhs, maximum kali 10 lakhs. Nanti kemudian rape, kali kemudian age limit. Minimum kali rupees 4 lakhs, maximum kali rupees 7 lakhs. Unnatural sexual assault, namun kamu nak kata dia kita kalau menjadi kita itu senang, nak senang. Minimum rupees 4 lakhs and maximum rupees 7 lakhs. Loss of any limb, kajing dulu jadi conman. Or body parts, hak disability kalau 80%, kaki ni kerja ni berapa. Dalam age kalau apa supposnya compensation kebenaran bala pun ai dalam sana kita berselah. Tiba-tiba supposnya malu compensation andai lain. Jika orang he Muslim orang hiar kali compensation 2 lakhs. Kamu kini supposnya sedang abang kefir. Conversation tu boleh orang jaga beliau kamu cuci dan beliau cuci. Kalau nak apa loss of limb or part of the body, hal apa the disability kalau 40% and below 80%. The first lakh and they 4 lakhs, about 40 years ago, less than 40 years. Ini less than 59 years, but above 41 years and they 3 lakhs. Nanti sedang lupuskan dan dia agak. Jadi apa disability itu belong 20% dan below 40%. Jadi slab menikah dari lala, nanti agak, nanti silap. Dan dapat shoot age limit. Nanti sekarang apa kali loss of any limb or part of the body resulting in below 20% permanent disability. Ke first slab kali agak. Nanti silap sempoja, nanti amat silap. Grievous physical injury or any mental injury requiring rehabilitation. Kamu kini cases ibarat happen, seperti institute happen rehabilitate. Kamu dapat tanya kita. Kali kan compensation dari minimum dari silap, but maximum dari minimum anda ini. Kali loss of fetus and miscarriage as a result of assault or loss of fertility. Kalau Punjab kita case kepada pregnant woman dan murderous assault ini assault kepada kalau Punjab kita murderous assault mungkin seperti jadi jadi shock dan block ni lalu kalau apa ini klub pokok ya kerana dari miscarriage or a result of assault or loss of fertility. Kali minimum compensation maka kali services authority kalau naik ni ada, nanti maximum kali ada. In case of pregnancy on account of rape, kali kami dah clear. Nama tak rape kalau dah jatuh ke maximum kalau 7 lakhs. Kali in case of pregnancy on account of rape. kamu pun ngaso kalau di benong additional kerja kalau di benong lah kerja mereka jing pun tak kalau di benong lah kerja clear dengan the subject lakin hamlong lah kerja ni ka apa kentup lang dia kan sistem pulih dengan scheme di kamu ngaso tu bah dia kerja hamlong lah kerja slack bah kali kajing pun lah kajing ja jong kali kajing sya bah kali minimum kali bala but maximum kali salah masuk kali dalam kerja pregnancy nak ada untuk rate masuk kali compensation kali pun he isu nawan lah kai di keluar kalau orang yang punya sama the victims of burning kali kalau cycle lah disfigurement of case kamu kerja cakap dan makan kamu tahu the minimum kali 7 lakhs, very 7 lakhs, but maximum kali 8 lakhs. In case of more than 50%, kita have first orang pakai nama kalau makanan ke disfigurement kamu kalau sneaker, I'm not sure. In case of more than 50%, minimum kali 7 lakh, but maximum kali 8 lakh. In case of injury less than 50%, nakadaw jong siya hang. Minimum kali 9 lakh, but maximum kali 7 lakhs. In the case of less than 20%, minimum kali 8 lakh, but maximum kali 9 lakh. Kali next puli mga kali victims of acid attack. In case of disfigurement of face, minimum kali 7 lakhs. Kali ka amendment naman ang scheme ka mawisya di amount di kamduna. Yun day kani mutay laban kani ka amendment ni scheme hakbat na punhe amount. The minimum kali 7 lakhs but maximum kali 8 lakhs. In case of more than 50% the victims of acid attack, the amount kali 7 lakh minimum but maximum kali 8 lakh. In case of injury less than 50%, kali ka pisa kali minimum kali 9 lakh but maximum kali 1 lakh sana lajan poi siya ko physical abuse of minor nanti kali ka physical abuse of minor naman pa sexual abuse kabal ka POCSO Act 2012 kali ka physical abuse of minor kabadai ka rehabilitation of victims of human trafficking jabol ha ini case ka physical abuse of minor ka amount kali 2 lakhs compensation dinata rehabilitation kali 1 lakh sexual assault excluding rape only rape kali ka amount kali kali 2 lakhs. Now women victim of cross border firing, death or permanent disability 80% or more, amount kali 2 lakhs. Partial disability 40% kali 1 lakh. Nantara 40% and below kali 30 lakhs. Victims less than 14 years of age, the compensation shall be increased by 50% over the above specific amount. Kali scheme wrong victim less than 14 years of age, the compensation shall be increased by 50% over the amount specified above. The following expenses shall be paid in addition to compensation outlined above. Kini additional dulu. Kawai kini funeral expenses. Kini apa saja. Over and above kini slab atau kainnya. Nampaknya funeral expenses kini apa saja. Medical expenses before death on account of injury expenses kini apa saja.
Lasakhiru pa kinang simenta kilapan pau ya kejingkemen bekila banyo ya kejingpensai pensunguthu nong sai an barang ba aktian khasi bat kilala ru banbu jingkli halo kejing e ka bagi tengku bat ki bor jong ka an
Breng ka to ho ya police department ka train ka mi tamba ka don be ya ka to kejingan te pulang ka tulang pero amut ka family ba ti pulet adin ki ya compromise kunu ninte na malabani ki ang wali ni ko ang pressure hem kan ta me na bantani na long kami ki badan tang kajing kia kajing shon kajing sha new ben kajing sha leben kajing thumu ban ba bo ma te khna ki badan rep te la ni ya ni te nim don kata kajing kershan ke bana lende ini ya nali namar ki ki grassroot ni de kumbai on bang ki baretam ki bangiru man ki klibien ni pen so so mi kren na du kawai pa kawai ke banta kumba ka department kala ai ni te long benda bagi don bagi di tahu senior lawyer mo te nakalian juga akan berdiri ni kuai kata protection ke babian nak sorka nang habangi ni biang banyak na benta ka imlang salang ka bahar kame tinggi rungin don kata ka bor ka bagi ni terilang untuk dong punta yang ni kalau ka bae bahar namar ni face haki slum area pengia haki babon ki benta don ki family ki mia sotu dan nakalian ka police department kan sotu ini yo ka ong bagi de ki baretam yo kan sinyo yang ni ngente ba habani ni ya ki home visit ni kum bagi ong bagi ka de shan boni ke jine but don ki balong success dan ki bamlong tilong haba ki blong kita de kita ki long yin ki baduk kum ba ni ki angan wedi ki kham tre bhai ka ta tren ho ki tre bhai ki baduk besok badi ki middle class kamlong babiang kum ba ong bagi habia complete lada kadon no pelayu ay ni ka training tim talong nalawa bandian ban keren ban complete nama lada kadon kono ka accident ru kadon kajing harassment kadon kajing bom su tu kajing keren khore itu di bala jenja lupa ke bala stop lupa ti long ki du jing keren no ki long yeng long sem all ada long putta ada om ban phashi ki se ki hospital baran ru kala don lupa ka jing penting kajing pesmi tinga ai play ya kani ka training ya kani ka awareness ka bayo menta ka sni kala long kajing sha ni barak kaya ni lah. Ya sudah nak try kan ni awareness pementaras ni. Itu ni ayo yo play bahkan don pun ni kerja rap ni untuk busuk. Nang ni syakmat. Lada kadon kerja dah ini dia angan di biki asya di grassroot. Kadon kerja itu tinggi rumi syarahem menteri kakam na mentak imlang salang. Kubli syukur.
Now we pick liable for abatement under section 17. Jong the protection of children from sexual assault 2012. Dengan rasul bahawa filap bakini ki no kino gede, dalam live kita nama sno, no penyak sno, lalu kino kisah malam, kile ban tak ekmiam. Kita kira mensyakkan bisa akan ini Pokso Act 2012. Susu jika kam jangki akan balik biasa, niaro sibuk harus kata-kata. Mat kajing cekam ka jingtre jopi ani po ani kasi jatian ko igi masutana te susu napa panpau ane baka lada don ki cases bagi sexual assault ki dongi ni boduk tam ki hapan ki kya ban harap ki protect ki te nanta grong important ru ban identify ya ki victims of crime important baka role jo ya sha nadi nanta ban arrange ki medical examinations nata ban penting inform the victims, penting ikiru rahok joki what is their rights, nata ban maintain the confidentiality. Kamu ba jaga kertas joki ni victims dalile kimla ban pelat. Kalau dalam kali dari kham apa kali dari Juvenile Justice Act 2015, mat kalau dalam dari kham apa Pokso Act. You have to protect the name. Nara ki press ki ba jo report ki chhi puri kadar joki dan se ki chutara ki protect. Ikon protect ki miss X miss Y miss Z na.
Monitoring CAC ni kan open ki cases MLC cases na try in the district nila Khambon mo when it comes to whether Pokso then even ki RTA. I think first time today bangat tip bagadon katu like in case of an accident bagadon katu ka motori first time bangat tip ngam jukan maybe when I go back ngala ban let ban kili ki police mo because most of the time shit day ni pun ki you and they always end up in compromise best like most of the cases mo even ki truck drivers ne anything pun baki you as of you kita uni jin mo banga kwa ban tip kalong let's say company hantai mo most of the time before sometimes ro kadang kapor ba shwa ba kin tip ki pulet ni lak tip shmini ro ra long kontati long ki brio maybe they're not aware ba ki ban tip shi ki pulet normal they sometimes ni lak nang go ahead without a police long requisition mo kato requisition ki 4 ra ti long you done anything but ni syak ben without long suppose without a police you ni rumone sometimes ni lang go ahead not with the procedure you can ni happen apa yang kipulat ni ban ni happen yo taka requisition
so we can go ahead with the examination and detailing yaka taka examination is okay, but at the same time we have to inform the police. Again, one man rush up police station or support PHC, then CHC. Now so the rules of the doctor, but the nurses kalong go ahead with the examination, but the even statement that one yara kita victims, but kaju kapor can inform the doctor. Naman tengteng ka point stage ba kada pinpentik di doctor di police kad bakin wan nan cikenta kenta lese kala da kamoy pa naman ka di police ka POCSO act ang itu kala ba sai kada sa itu ka ain ka bang kro pimne ini ka section 397 treatment of victim ang ni kamdan kata ka jinkan yaki hospitals yaki PHC yaki Idong Sumar, bagi haba na abshay di pulih. Na asal kiliban. Suppose a victim of a serious fatal assault. That benar kita ki pulih bagi nuan terlayak tu patient. The duty hi jom ini ki medical authorities kalau to go ahead with the treatment, but detail properly. And let the police come and do their job later. Come and have register the case, but carry out the treatment assault kalau wrong. The hospitals, whether government or private, will have to carry out examination of victim of fatal assault or victims of rape or sexual assault, and at the same time can happen but you should not stop the treatment.
Sa kaway pwede ako ban ong mangidan ki POCSO act lo hapo ki
POCSO cases.
Oh sorry, POCSO cases MLC ang lihadan ko ba alay tili Tiki case to mila register, but when you accused to most kila let surrender ilage. Tama ko atip ikani ka compensation before ang officer. Tikani nile kung nung ni habo din mangine ki hab approach kini ki victim family members ne bakin le compensation. Masuk ko atip ikatang naman bekiru ki wana galong yeng ko long san ko bado. Lada ki yo ko mikani kamat ni detail so pamantari kamtang kalajan ka ka. Awake a case you need. He's only 15 years old.
Kung yung kata case, kata POCSO case kalau piyong fi, lada ki kamput yo kano ka compensation na kayeng bisa. Namar kali ka case kabalang very difficult, kabalang painful, kajinglot kajingsap kadang. Kini ki community leaders kila kan submit makihi kali ka application support district legal services authority hindi kanan kamandan gitu ki FIR ki proof bala register case nanta ki kinjam medical report kindan be ke kin pandai pan gitu from din suku mani ban examine ban exercise ka main kujini pila ban move right away not kamanda akan subha bani kayam satu kalau ye draft yang mofi kita city, but hak keting kejongki draft kita city, dan pila ban compensation. Waktu kita ngajak case say member secretary yang beron ini in Chimkia, but will take it as a special case. Namar ba itai ba syajai pada jinja POCSO case dan pada jin pungkot, dan ajang kharu say case very urgent.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam, dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata, habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut, pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin, bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ikadur jengki marbam, kajing mat lani karukam shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bha, kajing im bakam bha, pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F mentakasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.